If your sauce tastes rich, but somehow it's still off, there's probably a step missing. Let's fix that. Today, we're making a lemon caper pan sauce and learning how to control acid so it brightens a dish, not sour it. Just like the last two episodes, we start by building fond. Today, I'm using a chicken breast, but this sauce is also fantastic over fish. Our chicken breast has been sliced thinner, so color matters more than time. Watch your temperature carefully. We want to develop a golden crust without overcooking it. Once the chicken comes out, we're going to add the shallots to that beautiful fond. If you watched the Pan Sauce Foundation episode, you already know the 5 steps: fond, aromatics, liquid, reduction, and finish. Today we're using that same structure and focusing on balance and acidity. The shallots add sweetness while keeping the sauce light and delicate. A little garlic supports the sauce, but lemon should remain the dominant flavor. We'll be adding that later. Now the wine, not too much. As it hits the pan, it dissolves the fond and pulls all that flavor into the sauce. Reducing evaporates the alcohol, concentrates the natural sugars, fruitness, and acidity of the wine. You'll know it's ready for the stock when the strong alcohol smell is gone and bubbles have slowed down. Next, we add the stock. Stock buffers the acid. We're building 3 sources of acid here: wine, capers, and lemon. But the wine's sharp edge cooks off as it reduces. By the end, it's the capers and the lemon you actually taste as bright. Now add the capers. Be sure to rinse the capers first. They're packed in vinegar brine, and rinsing keeps the sauce bright without becoming harsh or overly pickled. This is a step that many miss. As the sauce reduces, the flavors become more concentrated. We'll now reduce by about 1/3. The stock thickens, the flavors deepen, the shallots mellow, and the capers soften. Next, lower the heat and swirl in cold butter for a smooth finish. And again, the butter must be cold. Cold butter melts gradually, giving it time to emulsify into the liquid rather than just becoming an oily layer on top. We're focused on balance so the sauce stays bright and fresh while still feeling rich and layered. The lemons and capers bring the brightness, and the stock and butter contrast, creating layered depth. Okay, now we're going to add the lemon. But before I do that, I'm going to take this off the heat. Now we add the lemon. Lemon added too early loses its freshness, so we add it near the end, and always off the heat. I'm going to give it a quick taste, see if it needs any salt or pepper. Maybe a pinch of salt. Acid shouldn't overpower the sauce. It should wake everything up. You can add a little lemon zest for extra zing, too. Let's give it another taste. That is so good. The sauce is light, fresh, really balanced. Look at how delicious this lemon caper sauce is over golden chicken. Oh, my favorite part, I get to taste. Look how delicious this looks. So good. That's what acid does. It just brings it to life. That lemon is so fresh. I love those capers. So delicious. As always, this channel is focused on learning the how and the why. It's not about just following a list on a recipe card. Each video is dedicated towards learning methods, techniques, and timing that will bring real balance to a sauce. Next episode, we'll be bringing the cream sauces and pan sauces together for a delicious creamy mustard sauce that pairs so well with pork. If you don't want to miss anything, then subscribe. Okay, until next time, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy one of my other videos.